How to get a custom domain for free. So simply go to Google and then come and then type in Whips. Okay, Whips, this is the spelling, and then hit enter. So when it comes, simply come and then select the official site of whips.com and then click on it. To bring you right here to their website, simply come here to the get started and then come and then click on it. Okay, so over here it's going to ask you to log in, but if you don't have an account already, come and click on the sign up and then come here and then come and put in your email address. After putting it there, come and then confirm the email address. Come and then choose a strong password. After putting it in here, after that, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the sign up. We also have the other alternative whereby you can come and then sign up with your Google by clicking on continue with Google, and then you'll be logged in. Okay, after that, come and then click on create new sites. So when you click on it, it is going to ask you to chat with the AI to walk you through, or you can skip it. So I'm simply going to go with setup without chat. Okay, so after that, simply come here. They are going to ask you what are you going to create the website for. So I'm going to create it to sell phones. Okay, so I'm simply going to clear the blog and then I'm simply going to type in phone. Okay, and I'm going to select the phone accessory shop. So do the exact same thing. Okay, so by selecting the purpose, simply come and then click on the continue. Okay, so after clicking on the continue, it is going to prepare your website for you. They are going to ask you what you want to call your website. So me, I'm going to call it blogging tools phones. Okay, so blogging tools phones is like this one. And then after that, all that you have to do is simply come here to the continue, then come and click on the continue. Okay, so the next thing is that they are going to ask you if you have already have some experience with it. No, so I'm simply going to select no. I'm just starting. Okay, and then come here to where you have the continue, then come and click on the continue. So after that, over here, they are going to ask you the product that you are going to sell. So basically, I'm simply going to sell phone. So phone accessories. So I'm going to select physical product and then come and then check the box. Do the exact same thing. Select what you're going to sell and then come and then click on the continue. Okay. So after that, over here, they are going to ask me what I'm going to do. So it's an online store and it is selected already for me. So as you can see, online store is checked. So after that, all that you have to do is simply come here to the continue and then come and then click on the continue. Okay, and as you can see, we are all set. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on continue to the dashboard, and we are within our dashboard. So as you can see, they are saying that I have to check if the domain name is available. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come and then click on let's go, and as you can see from here, the domain name is available. So here is how you get the free domain. Okay, so simply come here and then come and click on make it yours. Okay, so when you click on make it yours, it is going to bring it right here. So in order to get your custom domain for totally free, you have to sign up for their premium plan. Okay, that's the way you will get a free custom domain for 1 year. So as you can see, when you sign up, you are going to get a free custom domain for 1 year without any catch. So all that you have to do is simply come in and click on the continue and simply come in and select any of their basic plan. Okay, so you can go with the list of it and then you're going to get free domain for 1 year, totally free without any catch. Okay, so this is the only legit way that you can get a custom domain for totally free, which is working. Okay, so like the video and then see you in my next video.